What's up, guys? I hope everybody had a great weekend. I'm gonna do a quick chart breakdown for you guys. So as always, we start off on GBP JPY on a weekly time frame. Here we can see that GJ is currently in a bullish trend because we've been creating higher highs, higher low, higher high, and now this could be our potential higher low zone for price to continue bullish. Now when we go down into the daily time frame, we can see that we have this major support right here at the 159,500 area, which has been rejected time and time again, so it's being respected. So my bias is, as long as we manage to maintain above this support level right here, we could continue to see bias up into this weekly resistance right here. Now if we should see price close back under, especially on the daily time frame, then this will be a confirmed break of the support. Then here I would wait for a pullback to then look to sell back down into this next weekly level right here. But like I said, as long as we maintain above this support right here, as you can see, support, time and time again, and we're currently trading above, I definitely see bias up into this next resistance. So the first area to target would be this 4-hour support zone right here, and the next one, this weekly resistance level right here. And if it continues, then here basically we could wait for another break and retest up here to then look to continue buys up into this area here, or maybe even to this next weekly level. Now sells, like I said, only if price managed to close back under this support right here, then I will wait for a pullback to then look to sell back down into this weekly level. Alright, now coming to GBP USD. So here on the weekly time frame, we've been in a bullish trend as well, but what we can also see is that price has been rejecting this weekly resistance right here, as you can see here, and it left a big wick to the upside and closed back under. So here basically we're kind of in a range. Now what we can also see though is that the other weekly support and resistance zone right here has been broken and price has closed above, indicating to us that this could be another bullish week. Now here coming down into the daily time frame, you can also see the change in structure. So here we were in a bearish trend, creating lower lows and lower highs. Then we saw this big push, this break of structure of the last high here, creating a new higher high, a higher low, a new higher high, and now price in this area could be creating a new higher low to continue bullish, right? So then going down into the 4-hour time frame, if we zoom in a little more, we can, sorry guys, we can see that price is above this major weekly support level right here. So in my opinion, as long as we manage to maintain above this support here, we could definitely see bias back up into this next weekly resistance, or maybe even higher. Now anything below, break and retest, and then sells back down into this next daily level right here. I do believe that we're going to see some bullish momentum up into this zone again. So the best two areas to enter for a buy will basically be either to wait for a pullback back into this weekly support level, then wait for buy signal to then take buys all the way back up, or you want to wait for a 4-hour candle close back above this support and resistance zone right here, then wait for a pullback to then look to buy up into this zone. Or if you want to be on a super sure side, you want to wait for a breakout above this weekly level, closure above, retest, and then buys all the way back up. Now when we come to gold, it's very similar to GU. I mean, we are still in a bullish trend as well, and the weekly candle, so the previous weekly candle closed super strong, bullish engulfing in a strong momentum candle, and now we had a form of a doji right here, but closed back above this weekly resistance and support zone right here, indicating to us that we can now see buys continuation all the way back up. So here as well, we can see on a daily time frame, we are also super bullish still. No change in structure, just forming bullish structure. And now here, the only thing that we can see is that we have a form of a double bottom, double top right here on the 4-hour time frame, which got created. So we have top 1, we have top 2. So this area, I will be cautious on buying if it's close to this zone right here. The only areas I will be interested in buying is a pullback back into this weekly support right here, into the 1960 level, and then see how price reacts. If it gives you a buy signal, then you can take buys all the way back up into this area here. Now if price just breaks this resistance, then of course break and retest and then continue buys up. And now here, anything below this weekly level, I will wait for a pullback back into this and see if it can hold as a resistance, and then sells down into this next 4-hour zone, and then see how price reacts. It's either going to go up or it's going to go down, right? It's always the two possibilities. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the breakdown for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.